Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What I've got here is an INTERPUMP, flange coupling drive. Machine itself, 150 bar at 14 litres. W154 pump, that's what's delivering the 150 bar at 14 litres. But this is set up for a car wash. Got thermal overload protection there to protect the motor itself, so any problems the thermal overload will come in on the switch. So inside there is the switch that controls the motor settings on the amperage. High pressure outlet point. We've then got the water inlet point at this stage. Protection filter to protect the system itself from soap, going in dirty soap, and obviously the water. We've then got the soap valve here. Now this system here is being set up so it can suck, or we can set it up for flow and return on a quick release setup. We've also got a ball valve at this side. At the moment that ball valve is closed, so when that ball valve is closed, what you'd have, this machine would be set up for flow and return. You'd have a pipe on there, quick release, little mini quick release, and what would happen, you would have that returning back to tank. So you'd be sucking on this side, returning on that side. At that stage, we'd recommend you put in a timeout box, press the switch in the head, so when you let go of the trigger, the system itself is under no load. You set it for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever suits yourself, and the machine will time itself out. Press the button, it then reactivates itself. As long as you keep that trigger pull, that machine will keep working and working and working. But that is a timeout box. That is because we're running a flow sensitive unloader system. It will not start back up itself when you pull the trigger. Also, there's no load on the trigger when you're using the machine, so the hoses last longer. Machine's working at 150 bar, it goes down to 0, so the hose is under no stress and strain. If there's a leak on the gun or on the hose anywhere, the machine's not surging, jerk, 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 jerk all the time because the flow sensitive unloader. What we've simply got then is, we'd open this bottle valve when we're setting it up so it's working, and this can pull soap through, working with a foaming system. So you connect that, open that, and then we connect this point into there. So the system itself, at this stage, don't forget this machine is sucking. We've got the soap valve there. You'll be working from a tank down below. We've got a stainless steel restrictor on there to restrict how much soap's being used in the filter. You'll be sucking out of a tub. This machine would have to be higher than the water tank. So it sucks, but it also takes the soap through. At that stage, it should be used for foaming really, or high pressure soap. The machine will be sucking, but it will return itself round the head, so it just circulate round. At this stage, this is when you need it to be timing out, not leaving it running and running and running. When it's on flow and return system, so when we disconnect that, and it's on flow and return, disconnect that, close this valve here, and the system now is flow and return. It can be left running that way, no problem at all, as long as water in the tank, it's just left to go round and round and round. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. This machine is 415 volt 3 phase to run at that pressure. Thank you.